Running a successful cafe requires a blend of great products, exceptional service, and a unique identity that draws people in. Here are some key factors that contribute to a thriving cafe business. 1. Know your target market. Understand who your customers are and tailor your cafe to meet their preferences. Demographics. Are you targeting students, professionals, families, or tourists? Preferences. Do they prefer specialty coffee, quick service, or a cozy space to relax? Catering to your audience helps build loyalty and attract the right crowd. 2. Offer a unique selling point, USP. Set your cafe apart from competitors with something unique. Signature items. A must-try drink, unique pastries, or a special dish. Ambiance. A specific theme like vintage decor, minimalist design, or vibrant murals. Extras. Free Wi-Fi, board games, or live music nights. Being memorable ensures customers come back and tell others about your cafe. 3. Focus on quality. High-quality coffee and food are non-negotiable. Source premium beans and work with skilled baristas to deliver consistently great drinks. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients for your menu items. Keep up with trends like plant-based options or seasonal specialties to stay relevant. 4. Exceptional customer service. Friendly, attentive service goes a long way in creating a positive experience. Train staff to greet customers warmly and handle issues professionally. Remember regulars and their preferences. It builds a sense of community. Quick service is essential during busy hours. 5. Create a welcoming atmosphere. The vibe of your cafe is just as important as the menu. Ensure clean, comfortable seating and aesthetically pleasing interiors. Play curated music at an appropriate volume. Use lighting and decor that align with your brand identity. 6. Embrace technology. Modernize your operations to improve efficiency and customer experience. Point of sale, POS. Systems. Use systems that streamline orders and payments. Mobile ordering. Offer online or app-based ordering for convenience. Social media. Stay active on platforms like Instagram and TikTok to engage with customers and showcase your cafe's personality. 7. Build a strong brand. Your brand should reflect your cafe's personality and values. Logo and packaging. Use visually appealing designs that align with your theme. Storytelling. Share the story behind your cafe, its mission, origins, or inspirations. Community involvement. Support local causes or host events to foster goodwill. 8. Smart location and layout. Choose a spot that attracts foot traffic and design the space wisely. Locate near offices, universities, or tourist areas for consistent customers. Ensure the layout maximizes space while maintaining comfort and flow. Provide a mix of seating, cozy corners for individuals and larger tables for groups. 9. Marketing and promotions. Spread the word about your cafe through creative marketing strategies. Launch events. Host grand openings or special events to attract attention. Loyalty programs encourage repeat visits with rewards for frequent customers. Collaborations. Partner with local businesses or influencers to expand your reach. 10. Manage costs effectively. Keep an eye on your finances to maintain profitability. Track inventory to reduce waste and overstocking. Negotiate with suppliers for better deals on ingredients and materials. Regularly analyze your menu to ensure pricing reflects costs and value. 11. Stay adaptable. The food and beverage industry evolves quickly. Be ready to pivot. Update your menu seasonally or based on trends. Gather feedback from customers and act on it. Consider expanding into delivery or catering to diversify revenue streams. 12. Build community connections. A cafe can become a neighborhood favorite by being a hub for locals. Host events like open mic nights, art shows, or workshops. Engage with customers personally to create a sense of belonging. Support local causes and showcase local products when possible. In conclusion, a successful cafe combines great coffee, excellent service, and a unique experience that keeps customers coming back. By focusing on quality, branding, and customer engagement, you can build a cafe that thrives and becomes a beloved spot in the community. What aspect of running a cafe excites you the most? Let me know, and I'd be happy to dive deeper into it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.